The question echoes in labs and hospitals worldwide. Is there a vaccine for cancer? It's a question fueled by hope and a desire for a definitive weapon against this devastating disease. While a universal cancer vaccine remains elusive, the reality is more nuanced. The fight against cancer is a complex battle. Cancer is not a single disease but rather a collection of over 100 different diseases. Each type of cancer has its own unique characteristics, making a one-size-fits-all approach incredibly difficult. However, amidst the complexity, there is hope. Scientists and researchers are making significant strides in understanding cancer. New discoveries are paving the way for innovative treatments, including a new class of weapons: cancer vaccines. These vaccines, unlike traditional vaccines that prevent diseases like measles or polio, are designed to harness the power of the body's own immune system to fight cancer. While we may not yet have a cure, the progress made in cancer vaccine development offers a beacon of hope for the future. To understand cancer vaccines, it's helpful to understand how traditional vaccines work. Imagine a virus as a lock, and our immune system as a locksmith. Vaccines act like wanted posters. They show the immune system what the lock looks like, allowing it to create keys called antibodies. These antibodies are then ready to fight off the real virus if it ever enters the body. Traditional vaccines use weakened or inactive viruses to trigger this immune response. This exposure trains the immune system to recognize and attack the virus in the future, preventing the disease from taking hold. The success of vaccines is evident in the eradication of smallpox and the near eradication of polio. These triumphs demonstrate the power of harnessing the immune system to protect against infectious diseases. However, cancer presents a different challenge. Unlike viruses, cancer cells originate from the body's own cells. This makes it more difficult for the immune system to distinguish them as dangerous invaders, adding another layer of complexity to cancer vaccine development. Cancer vaccines work differently than traditional vaccines. Instead of preventing infection, they are designed to either prevent cancer from developing in the first place, or to treat existing cancer by boosting the immune system's ability to fight it. Preventive cancer vaccines target viruses known to cause cancer. They work by preventing the viral infection that can lead to cancer development. The HPV vaccine, for example, protects against infection with human papillomavirus, a common virus that can cause cervical, anal, and other cancers. Therapeutic cancer vaccines, on the other hand, are designed to treat existing cancer. These vaccines work by stimulating the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells already present in the body. They essentially train the immune system to see cancer cells as dangerous invaders that need to be eliminated. Both types of cancer vaccines hold immense promise in the fight against cancer. While they represent different approaches, they share a common goal: to empower the immune system to combat this complex disease. Preventive cancer vaccines represent a powerful tool in cancer prevention. By targeting cancer-causing viruses, these vaccines can significantly reduce the incidence of certain types of cancer. The most well-known example is the HPV vaccine. This vaccine protects against infection with high-risk strains of HPV, which are responsible for the majority of cervical cancers. Widespread vaccination has the potential to dramatically reduce the incidence of this preventable cancer. Another successful example is the hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B virus infection can lead to liver cancer, and the widespread use of the hepatitis B vaccine has significantly reduced the incidence of this devastating disease. These vaccines highlight the power of prevention. By targeting viruses known to cause cancer, we can effectively prevent these cancers from developing in the first place. This proactive approach is a cornerstone of the fight against cancer. Section 5. Targeting existing cancer cells. Therapeutic cancer vaccines offer hope to those already battling cancer. Unlike traditional cancer treatments like chemotherapy or radiation, which can have significant side effects, therapeutic vaccines work by harnessing the body's own immune system to fight the disease. These vaccines work by exposing the immune system to specific proteins called antigens, found on the surface of cancer cells. This exposure trains the immune system to recognize these antigens as foreign invaders, triggering an immune response that targets and destroys the cancer cells. While still in the earlier stages of development compared to preventive vaccines, therapeutic cancer vaccines have shown promising results in clinical trials. Researchers are exploring a variety of approaches, including personalized vaccines tailored to an individual's unique tumor, and vaccines that target common cancer antigens. Section 6. Inside the immune system, a microscopic battle. To truly appreciate the potential of cancer vaccines, it's helpful to visualize the microscopic battle taking place within our bodies. Imagine the immune system as a vast army, constantly patrolling for invaders. When a foreign entity, like a virus or bacteria, enters the body, the immune system springs into action. Specialized cells like macrophages and dendritic cells engulf the invader and present fragments of it, called antigens, to other immune cells called T cells. These T cells, like generals in the immune army, then activate other immune cells, like B cells, to produce antibodies. Antibodies are like guided missiles, targeting and destroying the invaders marked with the specific antigen. Cancer vaccines work by enhancing this natural immune response. They essentially show the immune system what cancer cells look like, providing it with the tools to recognize and attack them. Section 7. The complexity of cancer, a moving target. While the potential of cancer vaccines is immense, developing effective vaccines is a complex challenge. Cancer cells are notorious for their ability to evade the immune system. They can mutate and change over time, making it difficult for the immune system to keep up. Moreover, cancer cells often suppress the immune response, making it harder for the body to mount an effective attack. This is where cancer vaccines come in. By boosting the immune system's ability to recognize and target cancer cells, these vaccines can overcome these challenges. Another challenge is the heterogeneity of cancer. Even within the same tumor, cancer cells can have different genetic makeups and express different antigens. This makes it difficult to develop a single vaccine that can target all the cancer cells. Section 8. Advancements in cancer treatment. Despite these challenges, researchers are making significant strides in cancer vaccine development. Advances in fields like genomics and immunology are providing new insights into the complex interplay between cancer cells and the immune system. One promising area of research is immunotherapy, which involves using drugs or other therapies to enhance the body's own immune response against cancer. Immunotherapy drugs, like checkpoint inhibitors, work by releasing the brakes on the immune system, allowing it to attack cancer cells more effectively. Another exciting development is personalized medicine. Researchers are exploring ways to create vaccines tailored to an individual's unique tumor. By identifying the specific antigens present on a patient's cancer cells, scientists can develop a vaccine that triggers a highly targeted immune response. Section 9. The future of cancer vaccines. The future of cancer vaccines is filled with promise. As our understanding of the immune system and cancer biology continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative and effective cancer vaccines emerge. Researchers are exploring a wide range of approaches, including combination therapies combining cancer vaccines with other cancer treatments such as chemotherapy or immunotherapy, could enhance their effectiveness. Nanotechnology, using nanoparticles to deliver cancer vaccines, could improve their targeting and effectiveness. Off-the-shelf vaccines, developing vaccines that target common cancer antigens, could make them more widely accessible and affordable. Section 10. A new era of cancer treatment. Cancer vaccines represent a paradigm shift in cancer treatment. By harnessing the power of the body's own immune system, these vaccines offer a more targeted and potentially less toxic approach to fighting cancer than traditional treatments. While challenges remain, the progress made in cancer vaccine development is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of scientists and researchers worldwide. As we continue to unravel the complexities of cancer, we can look forward to a future where cancer vaccines play an increasingly important role in preventing, treating, and ultimately conquering this devastating disease. Section 11. Supporting the fight against cancer. The fight against cancer is a collective effort. While scientists and researchers work tirelessly in labs and hospitals, we can all play a role in supporting their efforts. Here are a few ways you can help. Stay informed, educate yourself about cancer and the latest advancements in cancer research. Support cancer research, donate to organizations funding cancer research. Advocate for cancer prevention. Encourage your loved ones to get screened for cancer and to make healthy lifestyle choices. Support those affected by cancer. Offer emotional and practical support to those battling cancer. Together, we can make a difference in the fight against cancer. By supporting cancer research and raising awareness about cancer prevention, we can help create a future free from the grip of this devastating disease.